What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Nikki here, and in today's video it's a little bit different than the usual, you guys, but today I'm going to be showing you my new apartment. And I realize I sound like I got a stuffy ass nose, but it's been windy and I don't know what's going on in the air, so that is what that is. But if you guys have been here, you know that I've been so excited to move into my new place. A step up, a grind up. I've been visualizing, manifesting, like picturing this apartment and exactly how it looks for a very long time. So I can't even, I'm so damn excited, you guys. But we're gonna start with the outside, okay? Because your girl got a garage. Okay, I'm actually in the garage, but I'm gonna show you the outside first. I mean, everybody see a damn garage. It ain't all that. It's cool, but it's a damn garage. But let's go ahead. Let me show you what's in there.
Here, my Lamborghini here.
It ain't really, it's just literally my cars in here. That's it, my baby Lambo. That's what I call her because someday I will have one, but for now, that is who that is. It's actually pretty cool. I got all these damn keys, okay? Key, delete these. Let's lock up the garage. Let me take you upstairs because that is where the magic is going to be happening. See you later, baby. I love you. I love you so much. All right, I'll see you. I'll see you. Oh my, okay, there's the door, but first, hold on a second. Look, we got some good old storage in here, okay? You guys already know that I have a lot of stuff. I am a female, we have a lot of things. And so this apartment, we have space to put these things up in here, okay? Some extra bed sheets. We got, I don't know, just some knickknacks, okay? Some things actually that are gonna go into a room in the house that I'll show you in a second. Some tennis rackets, because sometimes I do like to go, you know, do a little. But let's go ahead, let's close this up because who really cares about that? We do have a cooler out here. We're gonna put some drinks in there, some ice. We're also gonna get some furniture out here, like some chairs, maybe a table. We threw away the ones that we had from the old place just because it's a new place, okay? I don't know if you guys can agree with me, disagree with me, but when you move into a new place and you're visualizing and you're starting over and like you have to start the next step, you're not taking your old stuff with you unless it's something that you really like. It's fine, but I just they were just some cheap shit chairs that we got from like Walmart. Not that there's anything wrong with Walmart, but I just want something nicer out here, okay? That's all. So that's not quite done yet, but let's go ahead. I've done enough talking. Let's get inside the damn house, okay? Are you guys ready? Can you thumbs up the video if you're ready? Because I might cry. I'm not gonna cry, okay? But I might cry. I'm just gonna hit you guys with a little montage to open it up, okay? Are you ready? Let's get it. So as you guys can see, the whole apartment is not done yet, okay? We have a select few rooms that are complete, but you know, it is what it is. I wanted to make the video. Maybe I'll do another one when it's all done. I don't know. If I feel like it, we'll see. But currently I am in the bedroom, and if you guys are already over it and you wanna just watch something else now that you've seen the damn house, then do it, okay? That's cool. But I am gonna talk a little bit about the house, just this much. So yes, the bedroom, pretty plain, pretty simple. I still have boxes here, okay? Clothes. I have so many damn clothes. As you can see in the closet over there, there was an ungodly amount of clothes, but it is what it is. Like I said, I'm a female, we have a lot of stuff. I'm not too sure if we're gonna be doing anything else into this room. We really like kind of the white, clean, crisp feeling, but I don't know, I'm kind of like wanting something on the wall. Like, I don't know, I'm a big person, I like things on the wall. I think it just brings a room to life. So if you guys have any ideas of what we could do in this room to add a little spice, a little something to it, please let me know down below. Let's go ahead, let's get on to the next room. I'm not gonna be spending too much time in a bunch of other rooms except for one because they're pretty self-explanatory. I mean, this is the bathroom, so this is where we pee, poo, pee, and take shower. That's all you need to know about that. Laundry in the hallway, because you have to have laundry in unit. If you don't get a laundry room in your unit, what are you doing? I feel super sorry for you. That literally sucks, but luckily, blessed enough by the grace of God, we have this. Then we have a second bathroom. This is for, you know, all the guests that we don't have. Maybe one time you got a stomach ache. Oh, my makeup looks so orange in here. Maybe sometimes, you know, one of us is not gonna feel well and we're gonna use this bathroom instead of the other one. I don't know. We like to have options, but yeah, it's pretty clean, simple shower. We even got you, like you guys, I guess, the non-existent people, soap. You can clean your dirty asses in here. Then obviously, guys, this is one of the craziest, not craziest, best. What am I trying to say? The most used. I was trying to have a different word for that, but it's going to be this, I don't know, what do we call this? TV, living, family room. I don't know, something like that. TV room, I guess, but you can see we got KK over here. She is studying and prepping for an interview that she has tomorrow. So thumbs up the video for some luck for that girl, because, you know, that'd be nice, okay? We have all of these like things to hang on the wall. Like I said, I'm a big wall person, so we have to figure out where to put those. We have a bookshelf over here with all these damn books that I can't even lie. Like, I don't know if I've read any of them. Actually, I've probably read like one or two, but I have got to read more books, but KK put that together. I think it looks great. And then we have this like TV stand thing. I don't know, but it's cute. Okay, we like it. We got the TV up here. We got a few things on the wall. I got the Xbox down there, and if you ever want to play Call of Duty, just let me know. I'll whoop that ass. And yeah, that's our space. And then obviously, if we come walking over here, this is like a makeshift desk, and I'll explain that in a second, but don't pay this really any mind. The kitchen is where the real magic happens. I don't care who you ask. This is where the magic happens, not the bedroom. This is what it's all about. We got the stove, the microwave, dishwasher, don't know her. I don't do the dishes. We got, you know, the sink and whatever. We got the fridge. It's like an episode of Cribs, like, what's in your fridge? Lots of drinks, condiments, Starbucks, because we're bougie like that. But now my most, what's the word? My most excited? The room. Now my favorite room, the one I am most excited about, you guys, is the one that you saw with all the boxes. Okay, nothing's really been done in here, but just look at it, okay? This is about to be the home office YouTube workout extravaganza. Okay, I'm gonna have a desk, a stand desk. I might do some live streams. I have my mic. If you guessed it, I have this wall back here that's gonna be behind kind of the YouTube area. So I'm gonna do something kind of fun with that. I am going to be waiting a little bit because I need to buy the desk that I want. So this room definitely has a ways to go. We're not quite there yet. So there's a high possibility that the next few videos of mine are still going to be at my office where I work until I can get this where I want it to be, but we'll see. We'll worry about that later. But guys, I'm just like, I don't have words. Like I said down there in the garage, like I've just been visualizing a lot, and this is like, God, I don't have words. Like to think about what I plan on accomplishing in this place, specifically this room, is just mind-blowing to me. Like we're gonna be cranking things out, we're gonna be live streaming, we're gonna just have a good ass time, make some money, which you already know, that's really the motto of the channel. And I may talk more about like, you know, those kind of things like visualization and manifesting and planning and organizing once I get kind of everything up together in this room. But you guys, one takeaway from this video is start doing it. Every morning, 5:30, I'm doing it. It's crazy. I'm so excited to show you guys this space once it's done, once it's exactly how I want it. But in the meantime, y'all, please, if you are not subscribed, consider subscribing to the channel by hitting the NB in the bottom corner or that red subscribe button down underneath the video below. Join the crew. I post 2 videos a week on this channel all about stocks, money, investing, real estate, finance, vlogs, DoorDash, side hustles, making money, having a good ass time. So if you're into that, please consider subscribing. You guys, can you just give a thumbs up for the new place? Like I am, like, you have no idea the levels I'm going to be hitting in this new house. Just sit there, subscribe, and watch it happen. I swear to you. And you guys, if you made it to the end of the video, you are honest to God the most MVP of people. I love you. Come here, you gonna get some kisses. Also, you guys, if you want to get some free stocks, hit that link down below in the description box. You always can do that. Highly recommend opening multiple accounts that you keep yourself clear from the short term and the long term. So hit it up, check it out. And like I always say, you guys, enjoy the journey, whatever your journey is. Always remember to do what sets your hearts on fire. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.